Today I'm going to be showing you and reviewing some cool doll stuff that I got from Etsy and Amazon. Let's start with the Amazon stuff. This first one is a package that says Overa Beauty made with exquisite craftsmanship. I can't be too aware if it's on Amazon, but let's open it up. The first thing inside is a leather jacket, and it's really nice. It has like a collar and interfacing on the sides. And then there's a pair of jeans. They're pretty stretchy and they velcro up in the back. The last thing in this pack is this little white tank top. It velcros in the back and it's also really well made. Let's try all this on a doll. This is what it looks like all together. I actually also like it without the jacket, and you can pair it with different clothes, like sweatpants. Now here's another pack from Amazon. This pack comes with 4 different colored really soft coats. Pink, blue, darker pink, and white, but cozy. Okay, Tessa, you can keep that for now. I'll try them on someone else. I put this fluffy coat on Sabine with also some pajamas because it looks kind of like a nighttime cozy robe or something. It also comes with different colors of tights and some shoes. If only they weren't solid colors. And here's the last Amazon pack. These are some jeans that have some rips in them, and also cuffs at the bottom. They're a little bit tight on her, but they're pretty good. And the next is this shirt with the print on the front. This is it on her in the jeans. It looks a little bit long, so I wonder how it'd look if it was like a pajama dress. Let's try it on her. I actually like that better. It looks really cozy. I like it a lot better as a pajama dress. And I finally have a pair of pajamas! Next is this top I ordered from a shop called Dollsy Doll on Etsy. The top I ordered is this stretchy Chanel top that has like straps over the back. She also gave me this really cute skirt as a free gift, so I really recommend this shop. It was really nice. I have a whole outfit ensemble looks on her and I really like it. It actually goes with it really well. I also really like how the straps cross over the back. Next is a skirt from a shop called Jana Adrova on Etsy. Here it is. It's a leather skirt and it has real working pockets and it's really nice. And it also velcros up in the back. This is what it looks like on her. Her hands fit inside the pockets really nicely and it also looks really good and fits really well. Next is another skirt from the shop called Jana Adrova. It has a cherry pattern and it's really stretchy. And it also has like this little tag on the inside and it's really cute and realistic. And this is how it looks like on a doll. I really also like how it looks with this cherry top that I made. And I really like how the cherry pattern goes throughout the whole outfit. This is the last one from a shop called Kitty Craft Stuff. You should already know this is my shop, but I like how it looks on the doll and it will be available for sale really soon, so you can check on my Etsy if you want it. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for looking at all these Etsy things that you can look in the description for the link for all of them. Bye!
I don't care if it's 50 bucks!
Hey, Icicle?
Natasha, what can I do for you today?
Icicle? Why are you buying a wig?
Jimmy Steer said he wanted a hairstyle. And oh, do you have any super glue?
Super glue? Icicle, what are you doing with that?
Nothing, never mind. Hope they don't glue anything to your head. Strainer would be so lucky.
Did he tell you what he was doing with that wig? I don't know, but he said what kind of wig would look ugliest on a black and orange robot.
Oh no. Huh, actually looks pretty good.
Huh? Except. Hey, Natasha. What the?